Good morning, ma'am. It's nice to see you.
Good morning, class. So before we start, let us all stand up and pray. Camille, please lead the prayer.
Yes, ma'am. Let us bow our head and feel the holy presence of the Lord. Let us pray. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. In the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
So before you sit down, please speak up the places of pleasure and arrange your chairs. So good morning, class. So who is absent today?
No one, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So how are you?
We're doing fine, ma'am.
Okay, that's good that you're doing fine. So before we start with our discussion, let us first review our lesson yesterday. So who can tell me what was our topic last meeting? Yes, Leona.
Our topic last week was all about the male reproductive system.
Okay, very good. Our topic last meeting indeed is all about the male reproductive system. So, what is the male reproductive cell? Camille?
The male reproductive cell is called sperm.
Okay, very good. So, how much a male can produce sperm cell is called that addition? Yes, Camille?
Ma'am, a male can produce 5 million cells in every single drop of his seed.
Very good. So, who can give the different parts of the male reproductive system? Karen?
Range of business, ma'am.
Very good.
Okay, class, I have here a picture. What do you see in the picture? Yes, Gilbert.
An egg cell.
Very good. Egg of a hen. Why do you think a hen lays an egg? Yes, Jenna.
To reproduce cell.
Very good. To produce a chicks. If a hen lays an egg and produces chicks, how about humans? Are the babies came also from an egg? What do you think, Gilbert?
I think yes. We all came from an egg.
Okay, let's find out. Okay, class, our lesson for today is all about the female reproductive system. In this topic, you have to describe the parts of the reproductive system and their functions. Demonstrate understanding of how the parts of the human reproductive system work. Give importance of the role of the female reproductive system in the reproduction of humans.
Okay, class, let's go back to the picture I've shown you. So this is an egg of a hen, while this one is an egg of a female human body. Are they similar?
Yes, ma'am, somehow.
Correct, because they're both an egg. But this one is called egg cell. It is the female reproductive cell, and it is the biggest cell of the female human body. Again, what do we call of the female reproductive cell, Gilbert?
Egg cell, ma'am.
Very good. The egg cell is only 1/10 of a millimeter, about the size of a diameter of a hair strand. So this is an illustration of the female reproductive system. We will explore its part and we will start with the ovary. This is the ovary. It produces egg cells as well as the female sex hormones called estrogen and progesterone. Again, what are the sex hormones produced by the ovaries? John Raymond?
Estrogen and progesterone.
Very good. Next is the fallopian tube. The fallopian tube leads the egg from the ovary to the uterus. This is also the usual site of fertilization of the egg cell and sperm cell. Female human body have 2 fallopian tubes. Again, how many fallopian tube are female have, Gilbert?
2, ma'am.
Very good. Class, this is the uterus. The uterus, also called the womb. It is a hollow muscular organ. Next is cervix. This is the cervix. Cervix is located at the lower part of the uterus. It is a narrow opening between the uterus and the vagina. What parts of the female reproductive system which is located at the lower part of the uterus? John Raymond.
Cervix, ma'am.
Very good. How about the part which is called a womb? Gilbert.
Uterus, ma'am.
Very good. Next is vagina. This is the vagina. Vagina, also called the birth canal, it is a hollow muscular tube that extends from cervix to the vaginal opening called vulva.
Sige na.
What is vagina again, Gilbert?
Vagina is a hollow, muscular tube that extends from the cervix to the vaginal opening.
What is the important role of the female reproductive system in the reproduction of humans? John Raymond.
The reproductive system in female is responsible for producing the mates called egg, certain sex hormones, and maintaining fertilized eggs as they develop into a mature fetus and become ready for delivery.
Very good.
Okay, class. Now, it's your turn to identify the parts of the female reproductive system shown below. Then, beside it, list down the function of each part. Are you all finished?
Yes,
sir.
Pass your paper to the front without making any noise. Very good, class. Give yourselves an round of applause. For your assessment, get one whole sheet of paper. Identify the parts of the female reproductive system. Number 1, a tube that leads the egg cell from the ovary. Number 2, a hollow muscular tube that leads to the vulva. Number 3, a narrow opening between the uterus and vagina. Number 4, release the egg cell and humerus like estrogen and progesterone. Number 5, shaped like an upside down first. It is where the fertilized egg cell develops into the fetus. Number 6, the biggest cells in the female's human body. Number 7, this is also called the birth canal. Number 8, this is also called the womb. 9 and 10, the two sex humerus produced by the ovary. For your assignment, illustrate the female reproductive system, then trace the journey of an egg cell from its production to implantation, color your work, and make it neat. Okay, class, that's all for today. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, sir.